In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a productive to-do list in Slack. If you use Slack every day, you already know how easy it is for important tasks to disappear inside fast-moving conversations. A request gets posted, a teammate replies, a few more updates come in, and before long, that task is buried. The good news is that Slack has built-in tools that can help you create a much more organized system without leaving your workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two simple ways to manage tasks more effectively. First, let's set up a more permanent task area using Slack Canvas. This option works especially well for projects, ongoing work, and anything your team needs to revisit often. Start by opening Slack on your desktop, either through the app or in your web browser. Then go to the project channel where you want your task list to live. Once you're inside that channel, look to the upper right area of the screen and click the canvas icon. When you do that, a blank canvas will open alongside your conversation. Now that the canvas is open, you can begin structuring your list. Click into the empty space and type a clear header for the checklist so everyone knows what it's for. On the next line, type a/2 open Slack's insert menu, then choose checklist from the options. After that, enter your tasks one by one. Keep each item short and action focused so it's easy to scan later. This is much more useful than long, vague notes because your team can quickly understand what needs to happen next. To make the list even easier to use, you can format important tasks so they stand out visually. High priority items can be emphasized, and teammates can be tagged directly in the canvas to show ownership. Because the canvas stays attached to the channel, it becomes a shared reference point instead of another message that eventually scrolls away. Team members can check items off, add comments, and reorder tasks as priorities change. Now let's look at a second method that's perfect for ad hoc tasks. If someone posts an important request directly in a channel, hover over that message and click Save for later. Slack will store it in your Later section, which you can open from the sidebar whenever you want to review your backlog. If you know you can't handle the task right away, you can also set a reminder. Hover over the message again, open the More Actions menu, and choose. Remind me about this. Then pick a time option such as in 1 hour, tomorrow, or a custom time. When the reminder triggers, Slack will bring that message back to your attention so you can take action at the right moment. That is all. Thank you for watching.